Ever wished you could bring your hair back to life without expensive treatments? Just spray this on your scalp for 2 days and watch your hair revive. It's like hitting the reset button on your hair's natural growth. Here, I share simple and natural recipes that anyone can make right at home. Often the solution doesn't come from pricey products at the pharmacy, but from the simple ingredients already in your own home. In today's video, I'll be sharing 2 easy natural recipes that anyone can try gentle ways that may help your hair feel stronger and more full of life. So now let's dive into the very first recipe. The main ingredient we'll be using is onion, a familiar kitchen staple that's surprisingly rich in nutrients for healthy-looking hair. First, choose a fresh, firm onion without any wilted parts and peel off the dry outer skin. What's interesting is that onions aren't just full of nutrients. They're also known for helping to protect the scalp from bacteria and fungi, 2 common causes of dandruff, itchiness, and hair shedding. For this recipe, you'll only need half of an onion. Slice it into small pieces so its natural compounds can be released more easily. This is especially important for sulfur, a mineral that plays a key role in nourishing the scalp and supporting the production of keratin, the main protein that makes up each strand of hair. Sulfur also plays a role in supporting better blood circulation beneath the scalp, which helps deliver essential nutrients and oxygen to the hair follicles so they can grow stronger. With regular use, onions may not only help reduce shedding, but also encourage dormant follicles to become active again, leading to fuller, healthier-looking hair over time. After dicing the onion place, it's straight into a clean pot to preserve its beneficial compounds. And now we're ready to move on to the next ingredient. Onion is like a natural treasure for the hair, easy to find, inexpensive, and widely appreciated for its gentle benefits. This is the very first step toward creating a recipe that supports thicker, more vibrant hair without extra cost. The next ingredient is garlic, a familiar kitchen spice that also carries remarkable potential for supporting hair growth. For this recipe, about 3 fresh cloves are enough to provide their benefits. Garlic is often noted for helping to cleanse the scalp, calm irritation, and reduce fungal buildup, common issues that can leave hair weak, brittle, or slow to grow. Peel off the dry outer skin, then slice the cloves into thin pieces. Cutting them this way helps release allicin, a natural compound well known for supporting circulation. Better blood flow means more nutrients can reach the scalp, which may encourage healthier follicle activity, especially in areas where the hair feels thinner. Add the sliced garlic to the glass pot together with the onion. When combined, their effects complement each other since both garlic and onion are rich in sulfur and antioxidants. Together, they help nourish the hair follicles while supporting a healthier scalp. Have you ever tried any natural methods to encourage hair growth? Share your recipe or experience in the comments. Your tip might become a helpful secret for others. The final ingredient to complete this recipe is coffee. Coffee beans contain caffeine, a compound that has been studied for its potential to stimulate hair follicles, extend the life cycle of each strand, and support stronger, faster growth. Just 1 tablespoon of coffee is enough for this recipe. Caffeine is also noted for supporting better circulation beneath the scalp, which helps deliver more oxygen and nutrients to the follicles and may reduce shedding. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, as well helping to protect the roots from free radicals and environmental stress. Now let's move on to the preparation. Add about 1 1/4 cups, 300 ml of water to the pot. Place it on the stove and let it simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. During this time, the natural compounds from onion, garlic, and coffee will gently release into the water, blending into a nourishing rinse that can support a healthier scalp and stronger-looking hair. My grandparents often told me that back in the old days when life was difficult and there were no modern shampoos or hair tonics, they turned to simple natural ingredients already in the home. One of their trusted secrets was a blend of onion, garlic, and coffee. Even during those challenging times, by patiently and consistently using these remedies, their hair remained thick and strong even into their 70s. It's these valuable experiences that inspired me to share this recipe with you today, with the hope that concerns about hair shedding won't feel so heavy and that everyone can feel more confident with naturally healthy hair. Once the mixture is finished cooking, let it cool, then strain it through a sieve or a clean cloth to remove the solids and keep only the nutrient-rich liquid. With just a few simple steps, you now have a natural hair tonic spray that's safe, easy to make, and ready to use right at home. Finally, pour the liquid into a clean spray bottle and close it tightly. It's convenient and ready to use whenever you need it. Using it is simple. Spray the solution evenly onto your scalp, paying special attention to areas where the hair feels thin or sheds more easily. Then gently massage with your fingertips in small circular motions for about 2 minutes to help absorption and encourage healthy circulation. For added benefit, you can cover your head with a shower cap or wrap it with plastic film to keep it warm. Leave it on for about 2 hours, and then wash with a mild shampoo. By staying consistent and using this twice a week, you may soon notice your hair feeling fuller, stronger, and growing more quickly. This isn't just a simple folk recipe. It works like a gentle reset button for your hair growth, encouraging weaker follicles to become more active again. It's a wonderful option for anyone worried about thinning, shedding, or hair that feels fragile. Stay patient and give it time. The difference can be pleasantly surprising. And with that, we've completed the first recipe. Now, let's move on to the second one. Just as interesting and useful, and it might surprise you even more. Rice water and coffee may sound simple on their own, but when combined, they can offer benefits that might pleasantly surprise you. To start, prepare about 2 tablespoons of rice and rinse it lightly to remove any dust or impurities. Then place the rice into a clean pot with about 1¼ cups, 300 milliliters of water. Rice, especially rice water, has long been valued as a natural way to support hair growth and scalp care. It contains amino acids, B vitamins, vitamin E, and minerals like zinc, magnesium, iron, and inositol, all of which are important for nourishing the follicles and supporting stronger hair from root to tip. Place the pot on the stove and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes so the starch and nutrients from the rice can slowly be released. When the water turns milky white, turn off the heat and allow it to cool for about 10 minutes. This liquid is rich in B vitamins, minerals, and valuable antioxidants, all of which can help nourish the follicles from root to tip, supporting weaker strands and leaving the hair feeling stronger and smoother. Next, add 1 teaspoon of coffee to the rice water and stir until fully blended. Coffee not only supports healthy circulation beneath the scalp, but research also suggests it may help block DHT, a hormone linked to hair thinning. This way, your hair can appear fuller and healthier over time, while shedding may be noticeably reduced. Next, strain out the rice and coffee grounds, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid. This is the part that helps nourish the follicles, may reduce shedding, and supports thicker-looking growth. The way to use it is the same as in the first recipe. Simply follow the same steps. With regular use, you may begin to notice results within just a few weeks, less shedding hair that feels less thin and fragile, and the appearance of new baby hairs. It can be a wonderful boost for anyone worried about thinning or hair loss. So now we've learned 2 natural hair care recipes that may help encourage growth and reduce breakage. But remember, truly healthy hair also comes from daily habits, drinking enough water, getting good rest, and nourishing your body with the right vitamins and minerals. When you combine these habits with simple folk tips like onion, garlic, rice water, or coffee, you may soon notice your hair feeling fuller, stronger, and shinier each day. Please note, the recipes in this video are for reference only and are not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. I'd also love to know, which country are you watching from? Leave me a comment below so I can send you a special greeting. And if you found these recipes helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share them with friends or loved ones who may be dealing with hair concerns. Your support means so much, and it encourages me to keep sharing more natural, safe, and effective tips for your hair and overall well-being. See you in the next video.